We have got a rare Mopar today. This is a 1970, well, it's a Roadrunner in disguise. It's a 1970s Plymouth Sport Satellite. Was ordered with the 383 performance motor, factory pistol grip, 4-speed, sure grip gears. This is, like I said, Roadrunner in disguise, probably to beat the insurance rates. And you know what else makes it rare? Factory air conditioning, factory white on white. Probably a one-of-one car ever made. And here it sits today. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can see 200 classic cars all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So it does have the raised Roadrunner style hood, all clean, straight metal. It's a rotisserie car. Underneath is all white. They did put the black stripes on here. Nice, clean, straight metal, straight down the sides. All this is real good. All the gaps look really nice. Bottom of the doors, all nice and clean. Flush, square gaps, all that looks good. Shuts real nice, and that's with the windows up. Nice, clean, straight quarter panels, clean to the bottom, crisp lines. All this is looking really good. Look how that trunk lines up real nicely. All really nice, nice body. Smooth, clean, nice lines. It is one of 180 sport satellites with the 4-speed and the 383. How many of those had air? How many were white and white? Probably one of one, like I said earlier. Shuts real nice. No bubbles, no blisters. I'm very happy with the body. The white paint shows real nicely. Now that I'm in here looking at it, it has a little orange peel texture, a little bit of dust in the paint. They didn't wet sand and buff it to get that glass finish. But I tell you what, it looks like a lot of new car finishes, has that little bit of texture. So I think it's completely acceptable. Looks nice the way it is. It's not cracking. It's not chipped. Looks very nice. So the bumper, a little scrape right there in the bumper. And overall, it's straight and shiny. The rubber strips are real good. The lenses look good. Has some upgraded high-intensity headlights, honeycomb grille. All that looks really nice. All the chrome moldings. Wheel well moldings, emblems look nice, correct antenna. Windshield looks real clear. It's not new, but it looks good. All the moldings are all nice and straight. Vent window frame has some freckles, but not pits. Door handles, trim. All the trim is, what I'm seeing is very nice. The vinyl top's excellent. That looks brand new. Has the air conditioned sticker still in the window from 1970. The rear window's got a nice curve to it. That's original, but in really nice shape. Look at the bumper, all real nice, clean. This whole tail panel with that silver argent paint, all looking really sharp back here as well. The wheels, you might like those wheels, or I hope you do, because we just bought them. They're brand new Magnum 500s, 15 by 7 in front, 15 by 8 in back, so nice and wide with some meaty BF Goodrich tires. Got a nice stance to it. Let's open it up. Check out that white interior. All right, I think we're going to be in for a treat here. It's a nice, clean trunk compartment. All sprayed, nice, clean white. So are the jambs and the hinges. New weather strip. The entire inside, all clean, crisp white. Even under the mat, look how nice that looks. All new drain plugs. Rubber mat has been replaced. Has a jack. It has a spare. I don't see the jack, but it does have a spare on a painted rim. You're never going to use that bumper jack. It's just nice to put one in there so it completes it, but you'll never use it. Door jambs look good. Weather strips are replaced. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified when videos are posted. The upper door trim is repainted white. The door panels, the armrests, the chrome bases, the handles, the window cranks, all that looks new. That's really sharp looking. Nice clean dash with the wood grain. It's probably because it's the Satellite Sport, a little elevated model. Clean lens, clean, original clean area. Dash pad's probably new. AC controllers and heat. All this looks good. Sport Satellite. Nice glove box with the working light. And these here are the factory AC vents. This is not an add-on air. It's a factory air. Clean kick panels, carpets replaced, the light works in the console. Consoles look good original. And yeah, baby, Hurst pistol grip shifter. That's the coolest shift handle ever made. And it was born, this car was born a 4-speed. Nice firm cushions. You hear that? It's like a drum. Nicely reupholstered, high back white bucket seats. Back of the seat's new. And everything back here is nice and clean. Looks like it's reupholstered, and new armrest and window cranks. Yeah, it does have complete seat belts front and back. The rear shelf is nice, probably replaced. Headliner is excellent. There's no wrinkles. Dome light works. Remember the hooks to hang your clothes from? Got the shoulder belts. Visors look new. Mirror looks new. Steering wheel has the little things sticking out of it. We'll have to fix that in the shop. Good original steering wheel. All right, let's see what's under that hood. Again, this is the same as a Roadrunner, but not a Roadrunner. So when your insurance guy would ask what model it was, you had cheaper insurance. Or maybe the guy just wanted to keep it a little low-key and subtle. But it is a correctly dated 383 4-barrel engine, same motor that came in the Roadrunner. Runs strong, factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. Has Chrysler reproduction dated plug wires, reproduction heater hoses. Everything looks clean and proper. The right manifolds, valve covers, all the components on the firewall. The whole engine bay is nice clean metal. The washer bottle's in place. The horns are in place. The right clamps, the right radiator, the cap, the shroud, the fan. Battery is properly secured. Original fender tag right here. We'll decode that on our website. It does look like the master cylinder and power booster have been replaced. Nice clean engine compartment. Michael's going to take you out and show you how that 383 runs.
Everybody, got an absolutely sweet sports Satellite here. Holy cow, now this thing's pretty rare. When was the last time you seen a Satellite with 383 bucket seat, center console, and a 4-speed pistol grip? I mean, this is pretty freaking cool. And not your standard Roadrunner GTX here. So really fun little opportunity to get something different. And the color combo is just, man, there's another thing that makes it really rare. Starts right up every time. I've started it over the past 2 days, I think 3 times. And yeah, it really runs nice. Nice clean idle there you can hear. Decent sounding exhaust. Let's see what she's got. And just like that, up to highway speeds, absolutely no problems at all. Yeah, I wasn't even barely in the throttle. It's probably something like 10 degrees Fahrenheit here today. So we're just really going, you know, babying them. We got cold streets, we got cold tires, but yeah, this thing just runs great. Our shop thought it ran great too. We had a pretty small service bill on it, about $2,000 we put into it, but a majority of that was spent on a new set of wheels for it. And then we also did put a steering gearbox as well, a power steering gearbox. That works very nicely. And the rims look absolutely stunning. But yeah, she goes down the street straight. It's a lot of fun throwing that pistol grip around. Seats are stuffed up nice, very comfortable. It's a great vehicle. And rare, like we were talking about. I don't know if Jay's going to go over all that with you, but yeah, come out, test drive it, spend as much time with the car as you would like to. We got nothing to hide here. We'll put it up in the air for you on a lift if you want to inspect the underside, everything like that. This one's all been redone. Definitely check out the pictures online of the undercarriage because it's pretty impressive. But yeah, contact our sales department at least the day before you want to come out, and we will definitely have everything set for you. So, as I see it, it's a fantastic vehicle, rare one at that. Someone's going to love it. Check out all the details on volocars.com.
So this certainly looks like it was flipped on a rotisserie because the entire underbody, frame rails, floor pans are all real clean metal, all painted the same white body color. So the suspension, steering, it all looks like it's redone. Does have a nice new exhaust system. Cherry Bomb is the brand of the mufflers. They're full size. They're not the old, style Cherry Bombs. But a nice exhaust system. I think the fuel tank was replaced. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean. The casting numbers on the side and the date are proper for this car. The 4-speed transmission is actually VIN number matched to this car. That is the original transmission. Disc brake conversion in front, it was drum, so they've added the disc. That's all new. E-brake is hooked up. So really nice. All the components, the floor is really nice under the car. Isn't that a good looking car? Sharp looking, white on white, cool. One of one, more than likely. Prove me wrong. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer questions like how you're going to get your Sport Satellite delivered to your garage and how to get it financed if you need it. Thanks for watching.